For females, planning training around your physiological cycles is more complex than males. Understanding your menstrual cycle and using it to your advantage will ensure you continue to meet training goals throughout the month. Every woman will be different in how they experience their menstrual cycle. By understanding your cycle, you can guide training to optimize results. The menstrual cycle often gets ignored during training planning. Your hormones have a profound impact on how you feel, both emotionally and physically. But what if you could use this to your advantage and structure your training accordingly, to optimize recovery and performance? Let us look at how you can find ways to work with your body. Keeping track of your menstrual cycle enhances your understanding and awareness of how it affects you as an individual. Tracking symptoms like cravings, mood, energy levels, recovery using rate of perceived exertion training as well as heart rate lets you understand how your psychological and physiological capacity changes throughout the month and how you can adapt to it. Having a clear picture of what is normal for you offers a useful tool for noticing changes that can be demonstrative of health issues, especially deficiency in energy. It's important to know that women are strong throughout the month and at certain times of a cycle are supercharged to take on higher intensities and efforts. When scheduled strategically, these changes can be used to your benefit whilst training. The cycle can primarily be broken down into two distinct phases. In the first phase, your body is more insulin sensitive and can store less fat and gain more muscle, using carbohydrates to generate energy. During this phase, you might see your endurance performance improve as the threshold for pain is higher and recovery is better. In the second phase, the body stores higher quantities of fat due to higher progesterone levels and insulin resistance. The pain thresholds are usually lower. You may feel more tired while your heart rate and breathing increase. Thus, low intensity, steady state and slow technique focused training is the best option. The menstrual cycle brings a lot of physiological and psychological changes in a woman's body. Thus, it is important to access these changes and create a training strategy accordingly. To conclude, keeping track of your cycle and collaborating with your coach when scheduling your training is beneficial. Increase the intensity, hard training sessions in the initial 14 days when you are brimming with energy. Then, slowing it down during the later stages of your menstrual cycle. Overall, remember to be kind to yourself and have practical expectations. A pro tip: review your progress on a monthly basis to know the difference, as opposed to on a daily basis.